Hi there, welcome to your first home. I'm Mary Ann Malyari, your territory specialist, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way in finding the perfect home for you and your family. Let's make your dream of owning a quality and affordable home. Let me introduce you to the Calista series. The end is the end of the row, and the Calista pair is a two-unit side by side. This one is a Calista mid. Floor area is 54 square meter. Lot area is 44 square meter. Available location, Calamba, Laguna, San Pablo, Laguna, Batulao and Lipa, Batangas, Pandi and Baliwag, Bulacan, Malgalang, Pampanga, Tayabas, Quezon, Gapan, Nueva Ecija.